Mr. Mike is muted.
Yes, Abby? Abby? Marlon, go ahead and write in the answers for these two. And I'm giving you remote control. Marlon. Remote control. Let me see. Okay, so you have remote control now, Marlon. So you're gonna write in the answers for those, and then you're gonna scroll down and do the ones that you're supposed to do down here. So you have D, G, and J. So you're gonna do those and then do these. Do those and then do the others. What am I?
Wait, what missing for that?
She said to do the questions that she circled. And to scroll down.
Out on straight lines. Miss, I can't erase it, Miss, I'm not able to erase. Oh, it's erased. Miss, the remote thing, Miss, I make my phone like, I don't know, Miss, from me get it, just I make my phone freeze or something. It's like, yeah, it's not working well with me.
All right, everyone get this. Marlon, you did the solution, but you did not explain. So go ahead and explain now for the persons who weren't here this morning. And for the persons who weren't here this morning, you need to be at class in the morning. Because what we do in the morning, when we come to this class, we do a follow-up. All the classes are your classes. It's not for anybody else, but for you. So when we do morning classes, when I come to Tuesday class is a follow-up of what I do Tuesday morning. Tuesday evening is a follow-up of what I do Tuesday morning. Monday, then Tuesday. So Tuesday is a follow-up of what was done Monday morning. So each day will be a follow-up. So if you miss Tuesday morning class, you're going to be lost when it comes to Tuesday evening class. All right? So Marlon, explain how you got your answers and then we're going to move on. If you do not understand what Marlon did, you need to go and watch the video that we did this morning.
You still hearing the fun in my background, Miss?
No, Marlon, I'm hearing Marlon clearly.
Miss, the video is on YouTube, right?
Yes, the video is on YouTube. Dejani, what happened to you this morning? Why you weren't in class?
Miss, I'm gonna be honest, I overslept. Miss, I was up studying, Miss, and I overslept.
All right, don't worry, man. We'll big you up this morning to say that Dejani is always here, and it's just if she have a little issue why she's not. So don't worry. We spoke highly of Dejani this morning, isn't that so, Marlon?
Yes, Miss.
Marlon, who is missing from class that is always in class? Who is not here at the moment?
Peter.
Yes. So did you try reaching Peter? That's what I tell you. You need to look out for your classmates. So if you don't see one, you call them. You message them. So what's happening? We have class. That's how you look after each other.
I must call him, Miss.
You're not asking me. You're telling me that you're gonna call him now.
Okay.
Same thing for the others. You see a classmate is not there. Somebody reach out to the other classmates and find out what is happening with them. Tell them that it's class time. So we're gonna scroll down. Marlon, explain the answers here and then we'll scroll down. All right, so Marlon is gonna call. So we're gonna scroll down to the next parts. Damara, you were here this morning, so that means you can do the other question. So give Marlon a break. And Damara, you're going to do the other question. Hold on, let's see if we can erase all. Tamara,
Yes, miss.
okay, when you're ready, you have permission to annotate and you explain how you get your answers.
Miss.
Miss. Miss. Miss.
It's fine.
Can you record this class, please?
It's been recorded, honey. Be recorded, all right?
Miss, I'm not getting feedback.
All right. Did anyone try reaching another classmate that is not in class? You go to the group, you look, you can see who is here. If the numbers don't show up, Haley is not here. Somebody try reaching Haley. Damara, you're friend with Haley. Go call Haley. You look again, so you call who is not here. Is Nastasia here? Is Melody here? Is Tyrese here? All right, so I got Gabriel Jones reach out to Simone, which is good. All right. And Simone says she's coming. That's why I want you to look out for your classmates. Okay, honey? Honeys, right. Well, that's how I want you to care for each other. All right.
Miss,
Yes, honey?
is it the 3 questions that are circled should be answered?
Yes, the ones that are circled. Marlon, you might need to help Damara on this. Damara? Damara?
Yes, miss?
What are vertically opposite angles? Damara,
Yes, miss.
did you write down the definitions that I gave this morning?
Miss, I wrote down some things.
Damara,
I wrote down the definition. for
okay, you
vertical
got me some
angles.
face. You see my face? Hold on, let me stop sharing so you see my face. Look at my face. You see my face?
Yes, miss.
Face look like so me pleased with the fact say you never write down someone we tell her to write down.
No, miss.
Okay. We'll make it up again here, Damara.
Miss, the first answer is C.
We have asked what the answer is, Tamara. We asked what are vertically opposite angles. You see, I try outsmart me now. Huh? You see the correct answer, Marlon? Marlon?
Yes, miss.
You see the correct answer?
Which question was she doing?
D.
B. Yes, miss.
What?
Yes, miss.
Okay, yes, it's correct. Which angle is vertically opposite to A? Okay, good. All right, go on now with G for me, Damara. And write in the answer.
Answer.
Write in the answer, Damara, for D, G, and A, and
Miss, I
J.
don't know how to use the pen.
Huh?
Miss, I don't know how to use a pen.
Good night, miss.
Let's try make a mark on the screen and let me see what you do.
Good night, miss.
Mark on the screen already? Ah, beautiful. There you go, Damara. That's it. Yes. And then J. All right, beautiful. G, yeah, beautiful. All right, we're gonna write down these questions. Go ahead and clear your markings, Damara. If you can't clear them, that's okay. I'll clear them for you. We're gonna write down these 2 questions. Corresponding angles. So put the topic, the next topic, corresponding angles. We're gonna write down these 2. Please use a ruler to draw. Marlon, Peter, Damara, and Gabriel, You haven't sent me evidence of your work for today. I need to see those evidence. Drop it in my WhatsApp, like ASAP.
Okay, miss. Sorry for being late, miss.
Hello, Peter. How are you?
I'm doing fine, miss, and not too good.
You're not feeling well?
No, miss, it's not that.
You gave too much trouble this morning.
Oh, miss, it's not that, miss. My
What happened
device,
to you? You're going cuckoo?
no, miss, my device was attacked, miss.
Huh?
I'm here revoking my system because my device was attacked.
I don't hear you.
Miss, my device was attacked, miss, so I'm revoking my system.
Okay. Oh, so you're okay physically, but not okay mentally or emotionally. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, miss.
Okay, I get you.
At the verge of almost losing my precious ink, miss.
Is you were calling nurse?
I don't remember, Marlon.
If I wasn't around my phone and my mother said that, so I don't know. So this.
You see you, Marlon, missing out every bit of information ever disappear? Watch it. Write off the question for me, corresponding angles. And please go and Google what corresponding angles is quickly and write it on screen. What are corresponding angles?
I'm not hearing you.
Please go and Google what corresponding angles are and write it on screen.
Okay, miss. Hey, Google. Miss, this may use copy and paste. Miss, me not go read properly, no, miss. I'm not going to read properly.
That's okay, Marla. Just write how you can, darling. You feed the dog them already, Marla?
Miss?
You feed the dog them already?
No?
You not take care of the dog them properly?
Miss, feed already. Wait, I don't feed them if you say.
Oh,
Today.
Marlon have some really nice dogs, but say there are some bad dogs. What type of dogs do you have, Marlon?
Miss Pitbull, German Shepherd, and I got a Rottweiler the other day.
Oh, how many pit bulls?
2.
How many German
And
Shepherd?
3 and 1 Rottweiler. 3.
Brother, we are doing so much dog.
Dogs are nice animals, okay? They're very nice animals, especially German Shepherds. Calm down, DJ.
Yeah, with so much, most would have a 2.
So you know, say if you got Marlon, your dog bites you, right?
I'm afraid of dog run me down already and I think me that dead.
If you're not afraid of darkness, on a real serious measure, miss. I'm afraid of
All right, Marlon. Anyone else have pets?
Miss, I had pets.
Had. What did you had?
Miss, I had 3 dogs.
Why you
And
kill the dogs?
Miss, I never killed them. Miss, I had to move, so I had to leave them with family members. And I had, I think it's like 5 cats. I had lots
What?
of animals. 5 cats.
5 cats.
Yes, Miss.
Cat.
Yeah,
5.
Miss, I have 12 cats.
Who have 12 cats?
Miss, I love cats.
Who is that?
Well, I had 12 cats. Now I just have 8 or so.
Who is that? Who is that?
No,
Jordan.
sir.
Miss Dejani.
Najani, you have 8 cats. All right. Who else have pets? Nobody else have pets? So what do you learn to care for? Who have flowers? DJ, what do you have?
I have some plants, but I don't know the name of them.
That means they're not your plants. You don't care for them. You have to know the name of things that you care for.
No, and my plants them is miss.
Anyone else have any flower? What do you care for? You need to have something that you're responsible for when you get up in the morning that you know that, oh, I must do this. Outside of taking care of yourself,
Miss, I
the
care,
bathing, the brushing your teeth that you must do in the morning.
Miss, I care for almost everything.
Huh?
Miss, I care for everything.
Well, miss me have to look out for my brother, my little brother.
Miss, I care for
Okay.
babies. Miss, I care for babies, pets, and living and non-living, everything in general, Miss. Miss is just
Okay.
my Miss is just my passion, Miss. I literally don't hate anything because I don't know, I just don't hate. I can't hate. Oh, that's just me, Miss.
All right.
So
I know
whenever
everyone should. I'm coming back to you, Peter. Let you tell me a little bit more. But let's just go here. By now, everyone should have written down the question. Marlon, your definition is incomplete.
This is very long, miss. I could have copied it and paste it or something. Me share screen,
You
miss,
can
and share
copy.
screen.
Oh, you want to share screen? All right, just hold on a sec.
Miss, I'm going to be a bit slow tonight because I have to transfer device.
That's okay, Marlon. Peter. Let me see. Let me find. All right, go ahead and share your screen, Marlon, and then go ahead and share your screen.
Miss, you're mute.
Marlon, turn your phone. Are you using your phone? Marlon?
Yes, miss, I'm using my phone.
Okay, so please turn it landscape and go back to the definition for me. Landscape your phone. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, angles formed when a transversal line cuts two straight lines are known as corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are located in the same relative position and intersection of transversal and two or more straight lines. There's something else that you need to know about corresponding angles. So scroll down. Let's see if we get a little bit more definition. Scroll down. Keep scrolling. Scroll to where we see something important. Hold on, you're moving too fast, man. Scroll up a bit. Hold on, stop there. Scroll back to that point. Scroll up a little, a little, a little. Stop. When two lines are crossed by another, the angles in the image are correspond. Scroll down. You still need to scroll down some more. We need another part of information. Another part of information is missing. Scroll down some more. Corresponding angles is any pair of angles which are of the same same side. Scroll down. Are four matching to the corners of. I go back to the first definition and click on it. Yeah, click on that one. Corresponding angles. Good. So there's one more thing that must be added about corresponding angles. Scroll down. Scroll down. No, that's you going up. Scroll to where we can see the answer. Okay, yeah. So the angle rule. Hold on, stop now. Stop. Yes, there goes the next important part of information. Can anybody tell me, Marlon, I've not seen that important part of information that I need to see. Click that X off that thing that you have right there. No. Hold on, you don't need to scroll up. Scroll back down for me, Marlon. Scroll down. No. Scroll up. Yeah. So click off that add. Click that X. Click off that add. Join Jamaica largest network. Click that add. Click the flow add. Click it off. Click it off. Click the X. The X. All right, so scroll down. Scroll down some more. There's another bit of information. Scroll down. So here it is. Corresponding angles are equal if the transversal line crosses at least two parallel lines. All right, so corresponding angles are equal if the transversal line crosses at least two parallel lines. So we're going to write this part, but we're going to go back to the top to write it from top down. So go back to the top now, Marlon. Go back up. Stop. Oh, stop right there. Angles form. So you're going to write that first part that is highlighted in bold. You don't need to write anything else. And then we're going to go down and write the next part of definition. Thank you, Marlon. Scroll down now, Marlon. That's enough time. Scroll down. to the next point. Everyone should have written that first sentence by now. Yep, right there. Write that second line for me. Corresponding angles are equal if the transversal line crosses at least two parallel lines. All right, so that's good so far. All right, who is Galaxy J2 Pro?
Yes, it's mine. I forgot
Oh,
to
hello.
check.
Hello, Simone. How are you?
I'm good.
Right, good. All right. So this is the situation that I want you to, the scenario that I want you to learn now when it comes to corresponding angles. We live on the same side of the street. Just like we live on the same side of the street. And if you live uptown, we live uptown. So that's how you're going to read this map. So this is a map now, and it's going to tell you where Jenny live and Karen live. So Jenny is 110 degrees. And I want you to follow me now, follow my storyline. Because if you don't follow the storyline, you're going to miss out. All right? So Jenny is 110 degrees. We're trying to figure out where Karen lives. Karen is corresponding to Jenny. So that means if it's corresponding to Jenny, that means Karen lives on the same side uptown. Because Jenny live uptown because they're on top of the parallel lines. So that tells us that Jenny live uptown. The transversal now, so let's look at the lines that are parallel. These two lines, parallel. So these two lines, parallel. All right? So we know that much, that these two are parallel. Good? The line that runs and cuts through the parallel lines now. The driver, the old dirty driver, will cut through and gone. We just cut in the traffic when you're driving. Him we're talking about now. That is the transversal. That line that cuts the two parallel lines, or the lines that are parallel, the pair of parallel lines. We call it the transversal. So can anybody highlight? You have annotation permission. You can annotate. Can anybody highlight what the transversal is? What is the bad driver there that does cut through? Highlight that line for me. Everybody have the permission to annotate. So you can just use a circle, put it around it, put an arrow to it, anything. Highlight the transversal. Thank you, DJ. Thank you. Beautiful. So that's the transversal. So let's put in the name now. We call it transversal. Transversal. What do we call it?
Transversal.
Transversal. All right, good. So the transversal is that line that cuts through, right? So the corresponding angles. What's the name of 110 again? What did I say 110 name? What's her name?
Uptown. I don't know.
Oh, huh?
I don't know. I don't remember what you say her name.
You're not following the storyline, you know. What's her name? Who
Miss
can remember her
Karen.
name? No, man. Karen is the
Karen.
next one. Karen is the next one.
Jenny.
Eh?
Jenny.
Jenny. All right. So Jenny lives uptown. I don't even remember if Jenny yesterday, you know. I don't remember either. So Jenny lives uptown, right? Karen is corresponding to Jenny, which means that Karen is going to live uptown and on the same side. So if up here saw uptown, where the one in, then that means that little part down there saw downtown. The 70 would be where? Uptown or downtown?
Uptown.
Right, so that means under here is the who said uptown so nice?
Downtown.
All right, so that means down here is downtown. Up here, so now, here is what? On top of the parallel line. Good, that means down here is?
Downtown.
Good. Here is?
Downtown.
And here is?
Downtown.
Hold on, man. Let me highlight that part again.
Uptown.
Uptown. So let's go again now. Here
So the
is,
one above is uptown and the one below is downtown on both angles.
all right. So let's go again now. The one above the parallel line is,
Uptown.
and the one below the parallel line is.
Downtown.
Downtown.
Everybody get that? Everybody get that? No?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
All right, good. So Jenny is 110 and Jenny live uptown. Karen now lives uptown on the same side Jenny live. So hold on now, I'm gonna put in some letters. I'm gonna change out these lines that I made and I'm gonna put in some letters now. So hopefully now that helps you to understand, to give me a clear name. So this is A, this is B, this is C, D, E, F, G, H. So Jenny lives uptown. On which side? Which side? Does she live on the left or the right?
Left side.
On the left. So we're gonna look for what angle is corresponding to Jenny, which is Karen. So that means Karen must be uptown on the left as well. Can anybody find whose Karen is? Is Karen
E.
is
E.
beautiful. So corresponding angles are what? Do they add up to 180 or are they equal?
Equal.
Equal, miss.
Equal.
So that means the value right here is 110 degrees. Good. Basically, I don't need to tell you anything else. You have enough information to find all the other answers. So everybody have annotation permission. A lot of you can be writing on the screen at once. Please fill in the others. And after you fill in the others now, then I'm going to go through with you and put in the reason. So fill in the other answers. Put what C is, what D is, what F is, what G is, what H is. Like I see, Chantal writing, Simone writing at the same time. Yes, man, that's my expectation. You understand? For persons not to feel shy. You understand? But just to come and just work. I love that Chantal, I love that Simone. All right? It's good that we're trying to give the others who are always doing it a break, like Marlon and Peter. They're always doing it. And yes, DJ and Dejani, and Damara. So those are some of the persons which always participating.
Miss, I'm trying to write it in and it's not working for me. It is not working. Miss, I
I'm
try
out of
write it
full
70 and it
screen.
now.
Yes, maybe it's because she and Simone were right at the same time. It wasn't
Right.
going.
No, I can write enough, but I cannot form the numbers. For
Take your
some
time.
reason, I don't know.
Take your time. Take your time. Don't try push it at once. Just take your time. Almost there. Yes, Damara writing in. Good.
So do I write on this?
Let's hear the reason now. Why is B7?
So do I write on this?
There should be a pen somewhere.
I don't know.
Why is B 70 degrees?
Because 70 plus 110 is, where is B 70?
Uh-huh.
Because 70 and 110 make 180.
That's not the reason I want. Yes, that's fine, but I need to hear corresponding angles, vertically opposite angles, or angle on a straight line. 3 things that I've taught you so far. Which of the 3 is it?
Miss, repeat, please.
Is there vertically
3
opposite?
angles you have learned so far. Taught you 2 this morning, just taught you 1 a while ago. What are the 3 angles you learned this morning?
Acute.
Not that angle. Vertically opposite and angles on a straight line I was talking about. All right.
Oh,
Good. So vertically opposite, angle on a straight line, and corresponding angle. Which of them did you use to find B? Which of those method?
Miss, corresponding angles.
What's
angles
70
on a straight line.
angles on a straight line? It could not be corresponding angles because 70 live on the other side of the street. So for it to be corresponding, they must live uptown on the same side.
Miss, why could it be vertically opposite?
Is 70 vertically opposite to 110?
Oh, that number.
No, it could be vertically opposite if you're saying that it's vertically opposite to C. It's fine. But she was making reference to 110 degrees. So you got to make sure that whatever you're looking at, whatever number you're looking at, you're giving a proper reason based on the number that you're looking at. So 110 degrees, it's vertically opposite to 70 degrees at C. But if you're making a connection with 110 degrees, then it would be angle on a straight line. So you can use any one to find the answer. All right? You don't necessarily need to use this particular method or that particular method. Why is E 110 degrees?
Because it's corresponding.
To?
It's corresponding.
Which
Why is
angle?
E? Yeah, so why is E why is E 110?
Yes, so it's corresponding to what?
To angle A.
Good. All right. Give me two reasons why F is 70 degrees. Well, you know one reason. Tell me the one reason. You won't know the other reason as yet.
Because it's corresponding with angle B.
Angle B. Good. All right. So that's good. Um, what must I say now? Give me two reasons why G is 70 degrees. Two reasons why G is 70 degrees.
Because it's parallel to angle B.
Parallel.
Because it's parallel, miss, to angle
Never
what?
teach
F.
nobody that. Don't worry about angle being parallel.
It's angle on a straight line.
With what?
With angle. It can be with angle C or angle B. Yes.
Hold on, man. No, sir.
It's
No,
angle
sir.
on a straight line, miss. You know,
It's the
see it
C
angle
point
on a
here.
straight line.
Yes, but it can't be on a straight line with angle C. You remember we were not talking details so that it must
At
be
a
on the
point.
same
At
point.
a point.
Yes, sir. So angle C is angle C at the same point where angle G is. Is it
Yes.
at the same point?
Yes, miss. It's at the
Are they
same.
coming from the same point? Point. No, sir. I can't Simone in a class today.
So
Point,
it's
Simone. This is a point. Are they projected from the same point? They're on the same straight line, but are they coming from the same point? Remember when we did this morning?
miss is two different points.
It's two different points. So because it's two different points, we can't use that definition. So yes, we can use angle on a straight line, but which other angle goes with it? Angle what?
Angle B.
Angle B is not on that same straight line.
Angle E.
Angle E. Yes. Give me another reason why G could be 70.
Miss, it is vertically opposite.
Which angle?
to F, angle F.
Good. Yeah, good. All right, let's go back to here. So we learn corresponding angles now. Good job. So now that we know corresponding angles, let's come back here now. Let's do question A. So I'm highlighting those in red. Hold on. All right, so I'm highlighting those in red. So let's do question A, question C, question I. One in your book. Persons that were these questions are ready. Persons that were in class this morning should have these questions already. So let's do question um
Miss, we must send it to you.
no. Write in the answers for me. Simone,
Yes, Miss?
please write in your answers.
Okay. Miss Those correct?
Which angle is corresponding to C? Put the answer beside it.
Huh?
Write the answer where the questions are.
Miss, I'm not hearing you.
Write the answer where the questions are.
Okay.
Which angle is corresponding?
Miss, sit there.
All right. Uh,
I don't know how to erase back from the diagram.
that's okay. G is corresponding to C. Good. D is corresponding to H. Good. And E is corresponding to A. All correct. Well done. Right. So we're gonna erase that for you. And we're gonna move on with our questions. So we're gonna come back up here now, and you're going to do A for me. You're gonna find the value of Y at C. Let me highlight what you're doing for me now. A, Y at C. And, I think Marlon find Y I went ready. Yes, he did. So you don't need to do Y at C. You're gonna do for me D. You're gonna do Y at D, these two that Marlon didn't do. You're gonna do okay, you're gonna do E, and you're going to do definitely F.
In the books, right? Miss, do it in our books.
Oh. Simone?
Yes,
Simone?
miss. Yes.
Yes, I was hearing you, but I wasn't beside the computer. Yes,
I
you're
was
expecting.
asking if we should do it in books.
Yes, my honey, my apology.
Miss, my internet went. What should we be doing now?
All the questions that I circled.
Miss, the ones in red.
Yes, my darling. Oh, Haley coming into the class. Nice. Then Jonna, you're doing the first one. Then Johnny, you're doing C. Gabriel, you're doing D. Marlon, you're doing E. And Peter, you're doing F. So this is the Jano, DJ,
Miss, repeat, miss.
the Johnny, the Johnny. This is, who did I say doing C? Oh, it's the Johnny. Sorry, I put the wrong name at the wrong place. The Johnny, I don't know how I remember how to spell your name. DJONEY. See? All right. Gabriel here. And here, Morlan. Peter. Please explain. I need to hear your explanation.
Stress meeting, miss.
And you may begin, DJ.
Miss, I cannot explain. Miss, I'm not even sure if it's right.
Can't die when could born. Can't doesn't exist.
It's not a betray leaders. Jesus Christ. It's a stress meeting.
That's a very good thing. That's promising. Know when you're stressed, you are don't worry.
Alright, miss. Miss, oh, then can't take the garbage when I'm about for deliver, miss.
Yeah?
Tell me again, miss, a garbage I come out tonight, man. You mean have the correct answers. Anybody explain the class silent?
DJ, just go so I can go with mine. We just have the wrong answers together. Just.
Alright. As soon as you figure out the answers, you write them in. And then DJ,
Yes,
please
miss.
put in your answer and stop the playing around. Quick and fast.
All right. So the answer that I got was 112, and my reason to that answer is because it is corresponding to the 112 degrees.
Beautiful.
Uh,
Put in your
right
answer,
here.
put your definition.
So 112 degrees. Yes, I should put my what?
Reason.
Oh, because it's corresponding.
Alright. So you're gonna write corresponding, CORRESP, put a full stop, corresponding angle.
Go run that bathroom, man.
DJ, can I pay you to do my question?
Send a $50 gift card.
No problem. Anything to save me.
Free power sucks.
No, it doesn't.
What happened to the person that's supposed to be doing D, C, D, E, and F? You don't need to wait on one person to finish.
Miss, I cannot write.
Ask Marlon to write for you politely, please.
Jesus.
Miss, I'm going to let DJ out. I'm doing a
Dejani says, Jesus. Come on, DJ. Dejani, I need to hear you ask me politely.
Miss, I'm going to do some negotiation with DJ, Miss. To do my question.
Marlon, can you be a gentleman and write for me, please?
Hey, your
I
ears.
don't like that way how you ask, Marlon.
Miss,
I feel offended.
It's sound.
Miss, you said ask politely. I am asking politely.
But
Miss,
you're
that
making
was
it
very
seem as if
politely.
Marlon is not a gentleman.
That was a command.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I'll write
So,
for you.
yeah, tell her how to ask properly, Marlon.
English.
That no see.
Miss, does these angles, Miss, add up to 180?
So, one more, sir?
Miss, does these angles add up to 180, Miss?
Which angles?
It's that these angles, when you get the answer, will they add up to 180?
Highlight it for me, please.
I don't think I can get it. Okay, let me see. I feel like, Miss, I'm supposed to find X and Y, right? Miss, I feel like Y is 75.
Why?
Yeah.
Alright. You're correct.
But who is for B? B is not for me.
Oh, B is not for you?
E.
Who's doing B?
No one is doing B.
B correct. Which number you do?
Oh Lord.
Which number you? Which letter you do?
See.
Help you?
Sure.
So the 150 degrees right there, vertically, vertically opposite with this right here, so this would be 150 degrees, and this would be straight line, and this would be 30.
Right. The X and Y may I find?
Yeah, and then
I know that would be 30, but so what would Y be? So Y would also be 150?
Yeah.
Miss question.
Miss is away from keyboard.
I don't understand how Y is supposed to be 150 when the angle.
It's corresponding.
Corresponding.
Just like my question where the
Yeah, I know,
100 is
but
there.
yours is only under the bottom, but mine, the angle is at the bottom and the top. You understand me?
Empty
Yeah,
nice.
Miss no teach you one angle yet, and Z angle. So this one Z. So you see Z there, so I'm going so. You know, and I really you have two types of Z. This is the go so and this one. Yeah. Go back this side.
Wait, which two type of it?
What?
Man, I'm
I've heard
Don't
ten.
understand. I understand that the X would be I also thought the Y would have been 30. I don't understand how it's 150 because it's not the 150 at the bottom is not only at the bottom, it's at the bottom and the top.
Just no second. Okay.
DJ,
Get
Yo,
this.
have things to talk about later.
you're the man. How me I think about your life, you disappear. Boy, you gonna stay, reset schedule and all these things.
He tells him be tired. And
Hmm?
when finish me, have to go sleep and body be feel shut down.
Gabriel, you go. You have one lap, man. You go, me see what you're gonna get.
You want me erase 150?
No, let you stay. You say correct. Once we Gabriel go.
Boy, my look me see though. Same for the child.
Like seriously, when I bring back Thursday foolishness back today again.
Thursday? What happened Thursday? What? Who? The person? The year already? Alright, yo, a year time now, you know, Peter, you talk about Thursday foolishness. Come on, do F.
I can't do a question when me mentally,
Boss, you want to do it.
mentally and physically distracted. I mean, I don't
Why,
know what
why distract you? It should be, your headspace should be at class.
well look like class turn something else.
Okay, so are you saying that you don't understand F? That's what you're saying, Peter?
It's like better you just say that and done.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm
And then
just
you
saying
can do it.
Well, do the question then, brother, and stop going around the bush, man. Come
yeah,
on.
but just mentally and physically distracted. Until the distraction gone, then
Hey,
So what is the mental and physical distraction, Peter?
Free
um,
fire.
make sure the free fire that they are playing, brother. Come on. Come on. Yeah, brother, come on. New things not released until Friday, tomorrow. And yo, come on, man.
Boss, they are play free fire.
Okay, so on a serious note, since Peter is mentally and physically distracted and is unable to do the question, would someone like to volunteer to do the question because it has to be done by somebody?
Let me see.
alright, I'm
Which
going to do it.
one? That is F?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
All
I'm going
right.
to do it.
The answer for F is the
Okay.
Y would be 70 degrees.
Thank you, Miss Simon.
Because it's angle
Okay, yeah,
Yeah,
continue.
70. Yeah. 70.
70, yeah, because 110 and 70 equal 180.
Yeah, you want to write Gabriel? Or?
So that would be 70. Y would be 70. And X now, X would be 57 degrees.
Marlon, you go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss Simon. You saved my life. Oh, yeah,
Simple.
man. Just never feel it, you know.
Huh? What you say?
Just never feel the vibes, you know.
Yo, is X really 57?
You get to know Peter?
I mean, I don't get something else for
Yes, man.
X.
Everybody get that?
Should
The
X be
57 and the 70?
123?
Yeah, yeah.
What you said, Gabriel?
I'm asking if X is not 123, because that's what I got. I don't know if that's correct. I
I
don't
got
know.
X as 123 too, because it looked to be corresponding to me, but I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. Extra 57.
Oh,
I'm not seeing how it is one is 57 because if Y is 70 and you use the corresponding rule for that, And you have to use the corresponding rule for the what x as well. So you can't just
Exactly.
Wait, X
so
of
then x would be 123.
Yes, that's what.
X of 57 for sure.
Yeah, man. Because I'm saying, how is it 57? It don't add up.
Everybody all right with that?
57, I don't agree with the
I think
57.
X of 57.
Yeah, I'm sorry again.
Huh?
I don't agree with X being 57.
You don't understand why x is 57?
No, I'm saying I don't agree with it being 57
Yeah, bro.
Why?
because
You see,
I'm saying that,
because it's two lines, they won't equal the same. You would have to take the X line different from the Y line. You see, there's two lines there.
On a 57.
Huh?
It's not on a 57 for
yeah,
sure.
but whether it's two lines, one line, that line there, that one line, you're focusing on that X line there, and that X is corresponding to 123.
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
On a 57 for sure. I just can't erase it. I want 123.
Marlon, try to
So what you're
undo.
saying is 70?
No, we're saying that X is 123 instead of 57 because it's corresponding.
No, it's not 70.
Oh,
It's one X is
Jesus.
123 degrees. I can't erase it.
Ask her to erase it.
123 degrees. Me use my Z angle something. So me just say 123 question
Anybody
answer.
know what Miss Gone?
Yes, so would that be 57.
Falling
Below right
asleep.
there.
Miss
Yes, so would
Digital?
be 57. Let's say bam
Anybody?
bam. Yes, so would that be
I don't know
57
how you
too.
get the 57.
Right there, so would that be 120.
Alright. Simone, you hearing me?
Yeah.
Alright. So look at
Yeah.
my question. It's you see that 112 is here, right? And the X is in the similar spot to where the 112 is at the bottom, right? As Miss was saying, uptown and downtown. So if you take that method and put it over here, you can see that same line, the X is in a similar position to where the 123 degrees is. And that is why we say that it's corresponding. And so we would say that it's 123 degrees as well.
Okay, I have a question. For D, would 81 be at Z or 81 be at Y? Because I feel like it's
You see
supposed to be
where
at
where the
Z.
X is? Where 57 is? Who write that there?
Where at
Where
X?
F
I
is
can't
at
erase it.
X. At X, there's a 57 there. But that should be
Uh-huh.
Me,
123.
Marlon right there.
Yeah, but she can't
Yeah, but
erase
my
it.
chest so I can't erase it.
Oh,
Marlon, mark a line through it, like a black line through it, so we know to disregard it. Yeah.
You were saying about
Right,
the
right
81.
here where it says X equal to
I feel like the
123.
81 is supposed to be at Z because I don't know, it don't look right. It just don't look right. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I didn't see it. I got that Y is supposed to be
99.
99, yes. And
Yeah.
the Z would be
But
the 81.
you said with the uptown and downtown thing.
Yeah,
99 is uptown and
right.
99 is downtown and the 8Y is uptown. So would it be the same thing?
Yeah, the Y, all right, look, because look, the 99
X
here,
and 99.
hold on, let me see. All right, the 99 here, right? The 99 here is
Mhm.
corresponding to here, and then they are on this. They are in a similar position right
Oh,
here.
they're vertically opposite. Okay, yeah, yeah.
Right, exactly.
Yeah, why a 99? I said the 81. You no want to learn me Z angle trick something?
Hey, sure, Mr. Tell you know?
Eh?
Oh, well,
Somebody need to explain C because I still don't get C. I really don't understand why Y is 150.
all right. We're sorry that we can't help you, but when you get a chance to talk to Miss, tell her.
Deshane, sorry. What's about C you don't get?
Alright, at the bottom, right?
Mm-hmm.
More than the 150 is downtown only. It is downtown and uptown, right? And
What
at
do you
the
mean
top,
downtown and uptown? No, you know, the 150 is not downtown uptown. The 150 is downtown. You see the small
130.
angle there inside X? That's a different angle altogether, but it's the same thing. It's the same angle, but it's just broken apart in two. So the 150 will be part A and the X will be part B. So really and truly, 150 is only downtown.